Check this out, guys. This platform called the PeakMaker.com is an absolutely amazing platform, as it is one smart AI powered tool for all social media needs, and this can actually enable you go on to solving all your social media needs. As you can see right now, it actually experiences the ultimate social media suite designed for small businesses to get more done in less time with the AI superpower right now. And you can sign up to the platform for free. You could go on to checking out the demo version right there, and you can actually do see that this is actually integrated with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and a lot more other cool platforms right there. That's absolutely an amazing platform right there, because before we scroll down further to check out how cool the platform is, you can actually do see that you can use this for social media management. You can use this for Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter posts right there. You can actually go on to checking out template right now, which is going to bring you right here to this page where you can actually go on to checking out templates for Instagram posts, Facebook ads, invitation. Maybe you want to design a t-shirt, you can actually do that right here. You want to check out some codes, you want to do the announcements, emails, and a lot more cool other stuff right here on the platform. This will actually help you do all that. You can see that this is a section for Instagram posts, Facebook ads, invitation, for you to actually design some cool t-shirt designs and actually imprint that on a t-shirt. You can go on to customizing any of the designs right there. You can actually see that there are a lot of cool stuff right here available on this platform that you could just simply go on to leveraging right now. And this is a very cool platform that actually helps you right now to do a lot of cool stuff right there in a less amount of time. So scrolling further from the home page right now, you can see that this is trusted by more than 1 million active users globally on platforms like Amazon, Bosch, HP, Nokia, and Philips Healthcare. You can keep on scrolling through right now, and you can see that you could go on to creating some cool stuff right here, such as craft stunning social posts in minutes. You can utilize the background remover, smart resizing, brand kit. If you look on to checking on the publish section, you can see that you could publish to multiple social media platforms from one place right now, and this helps you with content planning, content approval, scheduling of posts, and smart publishing right now. You could also go into analyzing right here to measure your social media performance for the multi-channel social analytics, competitive advantage, and custom reports. You can also go on to checking out the engage section, which could enable you drive engagement to accelerate your growth on any social media platform or for your brand or your social targeting right there. And you could also go on to discovering some cool stuff to actually stay ahead in the content curve in your industry. Maybe if you are actually a content creator, this can actually help you also, as it can enhance your thought leadership and connect with your audience by creating data-driven content that resonates with them right now. So that's absolutely quite cool right now for the platform, and this is actually 10 times your productivity and save time with this AI tool right now. So you can unleash the power of AI powered solution to unlock your creative potential. That's absolutely quite cool from this platform right here. So you just want to leverage the platform right now for various purposes right now. You can go on to checking out the products, and the products are quite numerous right here, as you can actually use the Facebook ad creator, the YouTube thumbnail maker, Instagram post maker. You can actually leverage the Twitter post maker and the YouTube banner maker also. You can see that these are actually for social media section. You can check out the business section for flyer maker, brochure maker, logo maker, and a lot of other cool stuff. You can also go on to checking out the designs right there. As you can see, there are other cool options for designs right now. You could also go on to this particular section, such as the features, and there are some features of this particular platform right now, such as the photo editing features right here. You can see some of the features, the designing tools features, and the branding and collaboration features. But you can explore all the features via clicking on this explore all features section. It's going to take you right there where you can actually go on to checking out all the features available for this particular platform right now, and you can just see how cool they actually are right there. You could leverage that for creating cool and amazing content or cool and amazing stuff that you could go on to utilizing. But you also need to take note of the pricing structure of the AI tool. You can see right here that there are actually three pricing plans available on the platform, but you can get a free account right there. Apart from the free account, these are the three pricing plans, which are actually the starter plan, the pro plan, and the team plans. For the starter plan, you can see the amount you'll be paying per month. For the pro plan, this is the amount, and the team plan is actually a custom pricing. You can go on to checking out that annually, as you'll be getting a 15% off or 15% discount right there for purchasing that the AI tool annually. And here are the characteristics or features of each and every one of those plans. You can keep on scrolling further right now, and you can see the comparison between each plan right here. As you can see, they compared all the features of each plan. This is the free account, this is the starter account, the pro account, and the team account. You can also go into switching this to annually to actually see the comparison for each plan right now, and scroll through. You can see how cool that actually is. So this can actually enable you know which plan you could just simply go into signing up for and utilizing right now. Maybe if you do click on the sign up icon right there, you will be brought to a page such as this, where if I do click on sign up right now, you can actually go on to seeing that signing up for the platform, it is quite easy. You can sign up with either your Google account, your Facebook account, or you can actually go into utilizing inserting a username you want to utilize, your email ID, and the password, then agree to the terms of service before signing up to the platform. So it is quite easy. Why not just simply leverage the platform for a lot of cool stuff that could also enable you make a lot of income online. So if the video was helpful, guys, and you want to know more about this particular platform, guys, you just want to click a like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, OJ Marketing, as I usually create videos on ways to actually make money online. You could check out the videos on my channel right there if you like such kind of content. And like I said, subscribe to the channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all, so as to always get alerted whenever I do release cool videos to help you boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.